Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Pam at Bead Temptation. So she has a Facebook group and an Etsy now, and she got some cute new stuff. So I want to show you what came in. Pam is a super nice person. If you haven't worked with her before, she's so awesome. So, all right, so there's a couple baggies in here, bags full of baggies, I should say. And the first thing I'm pulling out are wood beads. I love wood beads, and I love that these have stripes on them. Aren't these cute? These are 8mm. These are perfect for gemstone bracelets. Love those. Absolutely love those. Great spacer for tribal necklaces, whatever. I love those. And we've got some painted wood beads in turquoise and cream. You know, those are my favorite. Oh, I mean, turquoise is my favorite. These look like little honey pots. They're so cute. I love those. Adorable. And then we have them in cream. And then, oh, some more wood beads. These are discs, but painted and stained. Let's see. Lovely color mix. So we have a nice green, forest green, turquoise. Love those. Two different pinks. So we've got like a more mauve pink and then like a baby pink. Brown. A natural color. Black. Those are cute. I like those. And gray. Oh, and there's cream too. Really cool mix. I like that. Next, I'm seeing some more wood pieces. These are cut. Oh, well, I like the back a lot. That's kind of cool. It looks like a honeycomb, like heart almost, but it's a peace sign, I think. And the fronts are printed, so I think you could use these either way. There we go. Oh, there's a couple different prints. I think 3. So it's one set of 3 prints in here. So this one's got like a lighter print on it, and then we go into a more brown print and then a more pink print. I like those. Those are a little wild, but I love the backs. Those are really cool too. So you can paint them, or you can have a reversible earring or pendant too. Those are kind of cool. Then we have some, I think these are metal bails. Connectors. They're connectors, but you could use them as bails, I guess. But there's a hole in the top. They're metal. They're not white, and they've got like a jump ring soldered onto it, so you can close that around your pendant or whatever you want to hang from it. That's pretty cool. Those are neat. I haven't seen anything like that before. Then we have like a little baggie of crystals and metal here. Oh, these are gorgeous. These crystal, they're matte and shiny with some flowers cut into them. Gorgeous. Crystal AB. So pretty. So pretty. And then these are hearts. They're so cute. So we have a couple different colors. We have the crystal AB. So pretty. Oh, and look, the hole is offset, so that's really cute. And then we have a vitriol, like a green vitriol color. So pretty. It looks like purple fire in there, doesn't it? Ugh, I love that. Then we have like a blue, I don't know if that's blue iris or what color that is, but I love it. It's so pretty. And then this one's more coated on the outside. I actually can't tell if some of these are different or not, but I just love them. Aren't those cool? I have a lot of heart-shaped stuff, but I don't have anything like this. Like, those are really nice, and they're very high quality because you can see some striations through the glass. Then we have some Lampwork beads. 4 pieces. White. Sorry, I was just planting some succulents downstairs. White and cream, or I'm sorry, not white and cream, white and gold. some glitter. Those are really pretty. Those are really pretty. Then we've got some, I don't know if these are just rings, but they could be connectors, I guess. They're really cool. I've liked these for a while. They're perfect for earrings, perfect for multi-strand bracelets or necklaces. Love those. She sent them in silver and gold. These are $250. And these are $325. Those are nice. Love them. Those look great. I will definitely be using those. And then I'm seeing some Magnesite or Howlite skulls. Very cool. Halloween is coming up. Very fun. Oops, I dropped a pink one. Dropped the mate to that one. So there's three different sizes, I think. So there's a teeny tiny, like a medium, and then a little bit larger. So cute. And then we have some shell strands. I love this yellow. I have a yellow strand like this without the gold on it. Almost exactly like this, but it's larger. Like larger beads, same shape and same yellow and everything, but these would be perfect with those. And then we have it in a blue. Really pretty. And then a pink. Very pretty. You know, when I saw these, I wasn't paying attention. I thought they were acrylic. So my eye kind of went over them, but they're shell and they have some really nice depth to them. I love that. Oh, these are huge. These are Crimp Covers. These are enormous. They're awesome. They're Stardust, that Stardust finish. Those are so cool. I haven't seen them that big before. That is awesome. I love those. So that'd be good. I mean, I don't know if you're going to put a crimp cover on leather, but if you could put these at the end of like a leather knot or something. Those are really neat. Oh, and she sent them in gold Stardust too. That's so cool. So neat. I love those. They look like little Pac-Mans. I always think that. And then we have some like etched beads. Little flower motif on there. Upside down kind of. With like a gunmetal finish on white. Very cool. And we have some glass table cut beads, several different colors. Okay, well, we know I love this color. It's a blue turquoisey color. I love that. We have a pale pink or pale lavender. Lovely. We have a blue. Gorgeous. We have a topaz. Would look really good with some citrine or something like that. And then we have a green. Very nice. Look at those facets. I love those. Those are fantastic. I use those a lot when I was making jewelry for Etsy. Then we have some acrylic bead caps. These are so cool. Big bag of them, but these are so neat. I love those. You can use those as enders for your necklaces, for cords, for whatever. It's got a bigger hole. That's pretty cool. You can end several strands going in there. I like those. Those are really neat. And it doesn't hurt that they're my favorite color. I think there's more in this box or bag that she sent. Oh yes. I asked her for just about every size in the matte sea glass black because I just don't have a lot of the black, and I just like it so much. So there's a 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm in the frosted glass in black. So they're lovely. You could just do a nice multi-strand with that, or put some pearls in there. That would be so cool. Those are perfect for masculine projects too. And then I got a gray strand in 10mm. So those are really nice too. And then we have a little package of some more delicate things that she protected by putting in a little box for me. Look at this gorgeous pendant. It's a mother of pearl leaf, edged in gold. Look at the shine on that. That's so pretty. Even the back's pretty. So beautiful. I love that. We have these. Oh, these are so fun. So we have some of those stainless steel pendants, and look, it's a swirl cactus and the moon and the desert hills behind it. So stinking cute. I want to make like a similar size polymer clay disc or something to hang behind them. They're so cool. I love those. You could just hang those from an earring and they'd be perfect though. And then this one, I think it's like mountains. So 2 came in the pack. Yes. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. If you're into hiking, camping, I know Pam likes camping, and cause she posts about going camping all the time. I love it. And then yeah, the wilderness. Look, there's little birds sitting on the top of the trees. Those are so detailed. Very cool. Thanks, Pam. Those are so neat. Look at this guy. It's a huge Lampwork Focal. I would make that in a bracelet focal or something. I don't know. That's really gorgeous. Or you can make it part of a necklace with knotting or leather cord coming through and making it a tassel. This is really cool. Really pretty. This reminds me of some of those French, or not French, Venetian African beads I have. Those are so cool. That's so cool. Then I have 2 mother of pearl little drops, not pear shaped, but bralette shaped drops. Very pretty. Really nice quality shell. Those are gorgeous. Oh goodness, she sent another one of these. I didn't see that. So this one's blue. Very cool. Love these. And then we have some more mother of pearl shell beads. So I got some squares, tile beads, and some flowers. Love these. These will actually go with something I got in Tucson. And then some leaves. 4-piece set of leaves. These are so pretty. Look at those. Look at that rainbow nacre. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm losing leaves here. And then last but not least, look at this shell pendant. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Looks like a little wave on the ocean. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Pam always has the best stuff. So check her out. She's on Facebook and on Etsy. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you so much to Pam. My favorite things are obviously the shell items. This pendant. I really, really love these little guys. And oh my gosh, there was just so much good stuff. Oh, the hearts. Where did the hearts go? Like these little crystals were my fave. Everything. I love everything though. So thank you so much, Pam. Everybody check her out and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. She's got her eyes open and her mouth open, but she's laying on her back. Hi, Goldie. So cute. Look at those teeth. I think she's sleeping with her eyes open. She tends to do that sometimes. cute.